everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will guide you how to appeal Facebook group suspended. Your group is being suspended. This is causing your community to fall apart, and not only that, if you are trading within this group, you will suffer significant losses. That's also why Master the Meta made this video. Let's solve this problem together. Please go to the comments or description to access the link to the extension. Next, download the extension. Next, go to your browser's extension manager. Once in the extension manager, enable developer mode. Next, open the file you just downloaded. Right-click on the extension and select WinRAR, then select Extract here. Wait a moment and a file will appear. Add extension to browser as in video. Now open the extension. You can see the extension is linked to Facebook Appeals category. Step 1. Enter your Facebook group link in the first box. Then enter your profile link in the second box. Note you must be an administrator of the group. In the third box, paste the text I prepared for you. Note, edit according to your information. Finally, add a screenshot of the error you are getting. Click Send. Now, wait about 1 to 2 hours and then return to the group. You should see that your group has been restored. Note, if it still doesn't work, try again after 1 to 2 hours, and it should succeed because at that time there may be many people using the extension, causing system congestion. During this process, please do not use other extensions to avoid conflicts. You can see that the group suspension notification has disappeared. Now let's check the Facebook notification and the group's quality. You can see my group has been successfully restored. Master the Meta's video tutorial on how to appeal Facebook group suspended.